Hello, you are welcome to Physics with Umoru. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Physics with Umoru. You can still follow us on TikTok and Facebook, hashtag Physics with Umoru. We have our number on the screen where you can join us on WhatsApp and then the TikTok live classes. Today we are going to be discussing simple harmonic motion, but before we look at simple harmonic motion, I would like us to first of all look at the circular motion. What is a circular motion? Circular motion is defined as the motion of an object around a circle or circular path. The circular motion, a body that is performing a circular motion is characterized by the following. It has three basic characteristics. Number one, it has a constant speed. The speed doesn't change, it remains the same. Number two, it has a variable or changing velocity. And three, it has an acceleration known as centripetal acceleration, which we are going to be discussing now. What is centripetal acceleration? Centripetal acceleration is the acceleration of an object that is performing circular motion. The acceleration of any object that is moving in a circular path is termed the centripetal acceleration, and the formula for centripetal acceleration is given by A is equal to V squared all over R, where V is velocity, A is the centripetal acceleration, and R is the radius. Okay, now let's look at centripetal force. What is centripetal force? The centripetal force is the force that pushes a body around a circular path. The force that will cause rotation, or not a rotation actually, the force that will bring about circular motion, that is what we call centripetal force. And we all know that force is the product of mass and acceleration. Therefore, centripetal force should be the product of mass and centripetal acceleration. And we already know that centripetal acceleration is given by V squared all over R. So if we substitute this into this formula, we are going to have that F is equal to M, which is the mass, times the centripetal acceleration, which is V squared all over R. So this is the formula for the centripetal force. Okay, let's look at an example. An object of weight 150 Newton moves with a speed of 4.5 meters per second in a circular path of radius 3 meters. Calculate the magnitude of the centripetal force, given the acceleration due to gravity, which is 10 meters per second squared. Alright, so we list out the parameters. The first here is the weight. Second, we have the speed, which is 4.5 meters per second, and then the radius, and we're asked to calculate the centripetal force. So listen at the parameters here. We have it that weight is 150 Newton, the speed is 4.5 meters per second, the radius is 3 meters, and then the centripetal force is what we are looking for. Then the acceleration due to gravity, 10 meters per second squared. So using the formula, F equal to mv squared all over R, where the m is yet to be found. So from the parameters given, we don't have mass, so we have to convert that's the relationship between the weight and mass. So we have to change this weight to mass. We have the relationship between mass and weight. which we have it that weight is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity. So with this, if we make m the subject of the formula, we have it that m is equal to w over the acceleration due to gravity g. So if we substitute, then we have it that the mass is equal to 150 all over 10, which is 15 kilogram. So the mass is 15 kilogram, and if we are to substitute everything into this formula, we'll now have it that m is 15 kilogram, then v, which is 4.5 squared all over r, which is 3. So, and that will give us this, and 3 can cancel 15, and then at the end everything is going to give us 101.25 Newton. Thank you.